Sa araw na ito, we share the happiness and joy of Ryan and Elaine. To marry is a decision for love. Pag napakasal ka, ito ay isang decision. And when you let a person enter into your life, it is also a decision.
Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa iyo ay ang pagiging family-oriented mo. I have seen how much you love and value your family. But more than anything, I admire your love and faith in God. Dahil sa iyo, mas lalo kong nakita kung gaano kahalaga ang pagmamahal, pananampalataya at pamilya.
Saya ba kayo? Dapat lang, ano? And why did I ask you if you're happy today? Because that should be the feeling. Why? Because you waited for this day. You planned for this day.
Today, in front of God and the people we love, I stand here with a grateful heart because I get to marry my answered prayer, my baby, and the greatest blessing God has given me. Dumating man ang araw na napagod ka, kung may mga pagkakataong gusto mo nang sumuko, I promise that I will help you remember why we chose each other and why we said, I do. And from this day forward, I will continue to choose you, love you, and cherish you for the rest of my life. I love you, my wife, my baby.
You should be happy, Ryan and Elaine, because your wedding day would become one of the most important days in your life. Why? Because it is the day when you make your love public. You make your love known to everybody. Pinapaalam nyo sa aming lahat na nandirito na yung pagmamahalan ninyo, kaya nyong panindigan.
Gano'n kami. Sabi niya kami na eh.
Don't be scared of having dreams. There's beauty in the
I only have one request for you today. On our big day, please wear my gift. Gusto mong balikan kung saan tayo unang nagtagpo? Sa gulayan. Sabi nila, ang gulay ay pampahaba ng buhay. Pero para sa akin, hindi lang buhay ang hahaba, kundi pasensya.
I hope na magustuhan mo ang gift ko na ito. Sa hilig mo ba naman kasing magkukulot? Para sa'yo! I love you! Buboy! Wow! Sino kukulitin? Wow!
I'm not scared of giving myself away.
Sobrang thank you. Alam mo ang gusto ko. Thank you again.
I wanna hold you closer. I wanna feel some kind of home. I wanna real love. I want real love.
I can't wait to have our own little Ryan Colette or kapag babae, Ariana para Ariana Garden.
I want
pagdaan ng panahon, napatunayan kong sulit ang bawat sandali, bawat paghihintay, bawat pagsubok, at mga harapin pang problema dahil ikaw ang kasama ko.
Kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Lagi kong sinasabi na ang swerte-swerte mo sa akin. Pero ang totoo, ako ang sobrang swerte sa'yo. Kahit mga kaibigan natin at sarili kong pamilya, alam na alam nila yun.
Pero Ryan, mas mamahalin ka ni Elaine.
Ibigay mo sa akin yun. Pakimit yun.
Umamahalin mo rin yung mga taong mahal niya. Kaya din, Elaine, mas mamahalin ka ni Ryan. Pagmamahalin mo rin yung mga taong mahal niya. Kapag nakakita ka ng tao na mahal yung mga taong mahalaga sa'yo, that's the right person.
Thank you, Mama and Papa, for everything. Bubukod na ako. Pero, you'll still be in my heart. Tutulungan ka pa rin kayo. Kaya mamahalan ka pa rin kayo. Yun lang, I love you. As the years pass, mas lalo kong nararamdaman ang lalim ng pagmamahal mo sa akin. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for being so patient with me. Thank you for never giving up on me.
Baguhin man ng libo-libong buwan ang kulay ng kalangitan. Pangako ko hindi kita iiwan. Pangako yan. At kahit madalas na tayong
Thank you for making me feel loved, not just through words, but through your consistency, your quiet sacrifices, and the countless little things you do every single day.
mahal, ikaw ang uuwian. At kung umabot man sa dulo,
Thank you for always putting me before yourself. Thank you for being my safe place, gaya ng sabi mo. And above all, I thank the Lord for allowing our paths to cross and for giving me the privilege of loving you.
tayo di na magbabago.
To love is a decision. To love is a choice. And you have chosen the better part.
Ikaw pa rin